HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the basic language used to create web pages. HTML tells the web browser what to show and how to structure it, like text, images, links, buttons. It's a simple explanation. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. It uses tags to organize content. The OTYP81 to document type R. HTML to root tag to head it. Ku metadata title links to the title page title dear titler to page title to head her body to visible content to tra EH1 heading 1 to H1 headings H1 to H2 to D2 heading 2 TR2 to H3 heading 3 H3 quarter. This is a paragraph. P2 to paragraph have HTT to centered example. Com link text H could link tree image JPG alt description to image ELR to unordered list tool leash item 1 day li to leash item to tr also all to order list to left first late li second leash aol form cool formed input type text placeholder name input type submit value submit form dv. This is a block element edv to block element tour span. This is inline the span to inline element to line break e hor to horizontal line to strong bold text strong to bold poor metallic text mm to italic row body or a mammal